2024 के लिए जेपीसी तश्कील दे दी गई है। मरकजी वजीर अक़लियती उमूर किरण रिजिजू ने इस कमेटी में बीजेपी के राज्यसभा रुकन गुलाम अली खटाना को भी शामिल किया है।
Sir, I rise to move the following motion that this House concurs with the recommendations of the Lok Sabha that this House do join in the joint committee of the Houses on the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 and resolves that the following members of Rajya Sabha be nominated to serve on the said joint committee. Number 1, Sri Brijlal. Number 2, Dr. Meda Vishram Kulkarni. Number 3, Sri Gulam Ali. Number 4, Dr. Radha Mohan Das Agarwal. Number 5, Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain. Number 6, Mohammad Nadimul Haq. Number 7, Sri V. Vijay Sai Reddy. Number 8, Sri M. Mohammad Abdullah. Number 9, Sri Sanjay Singh. Number 10, Dr. Dharmesthala Virendra Hegde. Thank you.